Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to propagate a bamboo plant from a old bamboo plant. For this propagation method, first of all we need to bring a bamboo plant and from which I will separate the strands. Secondly, for cutting the bamboo strands, I need one sharp blade. Before using the blade, I will have to sanitize the blade using 70% of alcohol. I am using here rubbing alcohol. For the rubbing technique, I will have to use medicated cotton. For keeping the cutting strands, I have used or I am going to use glass bowl. As bamboo plant grows in hydroponic technique, so I have used only normal tap water. For here is the old bamboo plant I had segregated from my old plant, and I had kept like this in a glass bowl. Now I am using these old strands for propagation. I am using these bamboo strands and separating them from the bunch. You can see roots are there. I am separating them and keeping aside. Now I am going to sanitize the blade, cutting blade, like this. My sanitization of the blade is complete and I have kept it here. See, cutting is the main important thing. I will segregate the shoot from here and I will cut like this, straight away. Yes, the shoot is cut, and I will cut the dead end also normally. I have cut it. I will separate the shoot from the stem. As you can see, I have separated the shoots from the main stem. These are the shoots, and these are the shoots I have taken out from the main stem. I will remove the scales or dead leaves from here and I will clean it. I have cleaned the shoot. See, it will be like this. Like this I will clean the other shoots also. Like this I will remove the bent part of the other portion also. Like this. Now I will arrange the shoot into a manner like this. Long one I will keep it in the middle. Then I will arrange like this. See, my arrangement is complete. Here is the arrangement. My arrangement is complete. Now I will tie this bunch using a rubber band. Actually, it is very lucky for growth and prosperity, and you use only normal tap water because it follows the normal hydroponic technique. And my bunch preparation is complete. Now I will take a glass bowl. I will put here little quantity of normal tap water. And put the bunch here. It will take normally If you keep like this, it may fall down. So you need to put some quantity of stones. I am giving here stones for giving it support to stand. You can use conical container also. It will stand properly. See, I have kept the bamboo in this bowl like this, and you can see I have put very little amount of water. Normally it will take 1 to 2 months. Within 1 month you can observe the growth of the root, and also will observe the growth of the shoot. Hi friends, good afternoon. As I told you earlier that I will provide the video details with timestamp and date stamp, and I had started propagating the bamboo plant on 14th of August, and now today it is 31st of August. Now I will tell about the shoot part, what I had taken for propagation. And few days back, almost 10th day or 12th day, I observed that small roots are coming out from the end part. I am now taking out of the plant from this glass. First of all, I will remove the stone so that the roots doesn't get hampered. See, today is 31st and I had started the propagation on 14th. On 14th I had kept the shoots in a glass, and on daily basis I had changed the water, and it is the 15th day. You can see the growth of the roots. So here are my conclusion points, what you should do during propagation or not. First of all, your blade should be properly sanitized. After that, whenever you are cutting the roots and the shoots and the stems, you will have to decide that how much you want to do. Here's only for example, I had taken this, and I was successful to propagate it from the shoots. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and for more updates and notifications, please hit the bell icon.